Hi, let's jump straight to the Pop AI website by simply typing Pop AI. Text-to-speech is a technology that converts written text into spoken words using synthesized speech. Text-to-speech can be used by people with visual impairments, students, content creators, and anyone who prefers listening to reading. Click the link to open the Pop AI interface. You can generate speech from text and download it without signing up, with 15 free usages daily. If you sign up after hitting the Generate button, you can refresh or close the page and the speech will be saved to your account. It also offers a paid version for more usages. Pop AI is not limited to just text-to-speech features. Here are some of its unique options. To explore more features, simply click the drop-down arrows. Using a text-to-speech AI tool like Pop AI offers powerful benefits for various users. It enhances accessibility for individuals with visual impairments by converting text into natural-sounding speech, making information more inclusive. Content creators and professionals can save time by generating high-quality voiceovers for videos and presentations without expensive recording equipment. Language learners can improve pronunciation and comprehension by listening to accurate speech renditions. Additionally, multitaskers can convert long articles or emails into audio, allowing them to absorb information on the go. Whether you're a student, educator, or marketer, Pop AI makes content more engaging, efficient, and accessible for everyone.
There are 4 gas giant planets in the solar system: Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
There are 4 gas giant planets in the solar system.
Here's the list of US male and female voices, offering a variety of options. To change the voice or language, just click this drop-down arrow. These are the current languages on Pop AI.twitestone. Feel free to explore and choose the one you like best. If you select English UK, you'll find many voice options to choose from. The Ukrainian language has a few but great voice options. If you choose Chinese, you'll find 3 great voices to listen to. All these languages have different numbers of voice options. Some have many, while others have just a few. Now let's explore the interface to write or paste your text. Now, we'll use this text with the default settings. We'll keep the pitch at 0% and the speed at the default of 1. When you're done, go ahead and click the Generate button. This will start the processing. Unlike many other text-to-speech tools, this one won't play any ads at all. So, be sure to hurry up and check it out.
Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Be sure to visit the Pop AI website and explore how you can easily convert text to speech for free.
Now, the beauty of Pop AI is that you can change both the pitch and speed. Adjusting the pitch and speed of audio offers several benefits for different users. Slowing down speech helps with language learning and accessibility, while increasing speed allows listeners to process more information quickly. Content creators and educators use these features to make voiceovers more engaging and clear, while musicians and video editors modify pitch for creative effects or character voices. Podcasters, trainers, and even DJs can enhance their audio to suit their audience. Whether for learning, entertainment, or professional production, controlling pitch and speed makes audio more versatile and impactful.
Hello, and welcome to this tutorial. Be sure to visit the Pop AI website and explore how you can easily convert text to speech for free. Hello, and welcome to this tutorial. Be sure to visit the Pop AI website and explore how you can easily convert text to speech for free.
In conclusion, for this lesson I actually used the Pop AI English UK Charlie voice, showcasing its pitch and speed adjustments. I've provided the link to the website below. If you found this lesson helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more upcoming overview tutorials. Thank you for watching.